Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a confirmed spoiler for the December box and maybe a couple of other things for you as well. Let's check it out. Today on Instagram, Joe confirmed that we will be receiving a palette. But then I spy with my little eyes. What do I see? Are those brushes back there? Well, let's go ahead and start with spoiler number 1. And that is a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Man, I can't get enough of these palettes. And now for the possible spoiler number 2. Let me know what you think. This is an 8-piece Luxe box set. Now, the box is too big to go into a normal Boxycharm box. So I'm thinking, could this be a spoiler for our Luxe box for December? Now let's go back to that table and see the third item. Do you see what I see? Or is that just Joe's flat iron and he forgot to put it away? Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. If you want more information on BoxyLuxe or BoxyCharm, then go ahead and click the link in my description. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler and all my other videos that I have for you. Okay, maybe that was 3 things. As always, I love you and have a blessed day.